Here you see the composition of these adopters. As you might expect, younger providers are more likely to adopt, but the difference isn't striking. What is striking, and has been in all prior studies, is the difficulty smaller practices have in adopting, presumably due to the lack of financial as well as technical resources, since many of these are in rural, poor, underserved areas. ONC funded a special regional extension center program to provide special help to these providers. Note as well that practice ownership can be a significant factor.